Alright, there's a fan next to me, and there's air right behind me, in case anybody's wondering why there's a fan noise. Also, the mic I'm using is not actually an official mic, it's a mic off of Skull Candy headphones. The headphone that has the mic is actually dead. So yeah, that's the mic I'm using. So now, this video, this recording is meant to show you how to download a character and install that character on Mac for M.U.G.E.N. So I already searched it out on Google. We'll be downloading this character. So usually you just want to type in the character's name and then just M.U.G.E.N right afterwards. Some links should pop up, like the M.U.G.E.N archive. Let's see what else. That's weird. There's another link to up here. Open this up. Type in. Hold on, I'm recording this thing on my phone and it loaded me to something. Go. Here it is, collection. Okay, so the first link I opened up was to the M.U.G.E.N archives. You can download characters, stages. However, you have to be signed up here. So that's a big downside. You don't want to sign up anywhere. Here's the M.U.G.E.N wiki. However, here's this M.U.G.E.N free-for-all. They have a section. You go from the home, you go from the warehouse, you go characters and collections, and here's the Mega Man collection they have, which has a lot of Mega Man characters and a lot of Mega Man stages. So, I don't know how to install these other things. I only know how to install the characters, stages, and songs. Sorry, I was thinking. Anyway, so I guess I'll download this too. But that would be the other video. Leave this open. Anyway, so here's the M.U.G.E.N database, which is basically the M.U.G.E.N wiki. So you go here. It's a wiki, so it tells you about the characters and stuff. Gives the life, the attack, the defense, the move list. Even though this move list doesn't really tell you what the character does, it just tells you down, right, left, up. And the ones that are in brackets means you hold it down. Some videos, other characters you can download here too. So you'll click download right here. Wait for this loading. Alright. Then you click on the link. When it takes you to the OneDrive, it usually gives that person's OneDrive has a lot of different folders in it, so you have to actually search around for the character. Sometimes you end up getting Mediafire, which gives you the direct link. However, when you get 4Share, I don't know how you download from that website. I downloaded some things from that website, like, things, like characters, but I don't know how I make I don't know how I made it download. Alright, so you gotta click on it. It's the link we want to get. Close this. Here's my downloads. I click on it, or you can just search it on your Mac. And then over here, we got the file itself. Here you go. So now, with your character downloaded, you gotta open up your applications, show package contents. I like to open up about 3 of them, just to make sure. Close this. do with that. Open up characters. Open up data. I guess you just open this up like this and maybe like that. Minimize it, whatever. However, this character is already in here. And this character is somewhere. All these other characters. Right here. This character's right here. But you would take the folder, you stick it in there. Then you would want to open up your data. Open up your folder too, don't forget that. You want to locate where it says, also you find these readmes in here. I think this is like it's readme, but it's a whole different language, and I don't know it. I tried to Google Translate it. The Google Translate failed. Anyway, let's see. Here's this. What you want to do is right click, then you click copy, and then you go to where is it? Oh, select .def. Open that out. It tells you how to add characters itself. So let's see. Right here, we'll find the character. Just same thing. Sorry, I burped. Humor.def, and then over here is a humor stage def. So what you want to do, I guess I can show you it over here. Well, this is how I do it. So you want to get what's copied over here. Right click, you want to paste that. You want to minus it. You want to delete it. Then you want to put a comma. You want a space, put stages. Then do this. And there you go. Just save. However, it's going to be blank, by the way. It should look blank and just put 2 files if this is the first character. What you want to do is click enter, and then it should open that up. What I usually do from there is just put nothing but one letter. Do it like that. And then put a comma and put stages. Thought my phone was dying. Just to add on the map. Slash, and then I put more. Paste, and then you just save that. I have a skin packed. It's not skin. I have a skin packed. So this select file will not work, but don't delete this file or anything like that. Did I say skin pack? I mean my screen pack is the Neos screen pack. I can't talk right now. Alright. But yeah, you want to put the character folder into the character data. You want to put the character folder into the character data over here. The other folder. Jeez, I can't speak. Sorry. Open up the select, the character's name, comma, stage, slash, and then character dot def, and that's about it. This is not how. Well, if you just newly downloaded Mugen by watching the other video over there, this is not how your Mugen is going to look like, and I don't even know if my Mugen is going to work because it has a screen pack attached to it. I mean, on it. Just open this up, another window. Wait for my Mugen to load. The skin pack I have is skin pack neon. Don't worry, I'll make another video of how to do the skin pack things, all that. At least for neon, because neon is much more simpler than the other screen packs. They're a bit confusing. But everything's the same for the Mac and the PC. It's just the viewing of it. So you can watch a PC video and file names. The file itself is going to be the exact same. So Mugen should have arcade versus team arcade, team versus team co-op, survival survival co-op, training, and then watch, and then options, and then exit. Options, stuff. The button configuration should be here. Oh, it says input configuration. This is joystick configuration, but I don't have a controller connected. All I'm using is the keyboard. My phone was dying again. So I'm going to go here, click that. I think it's the return / enter button. So this is where you would input your keys. So up, down, left, right. Well, it's on my keyboard. This is arrows. The arrow keys. I'm stupid. I forgot their name. After this, I do it like this. Since those keys are so next to each other, then it would be a return for me, and configure player 2's. Then exit. And here you want to go to the side and then hit your newly button to whichever one's A and click save. And then you say option saved. Or maybe you want to load options like that. But for me, I always just keep saving. It's the same. Because if you don't do that and you quit your movement and you bring it back up, the controls are going to be different. Here you can also put game speed, time limit, life, and then difficulty. However, we're here to see if the character worked. So we're going to put in training. Here's all my other characters. Do not need to select that character. Also, one thing, you cannot pause with movement. At least I have not myself figured out how to. This character we downloaded. We'll click Dante. Here's all the other stages I got. Wow, got my movement slowing down. We'll click on this stage. And your character should be here. One last thing is to make sure in the data over here. Okay, I shouldn't go this far into the screen pack, but over here where it says select.def, maybe you don't have a screen pack, maybe you don't want a screen pack, but here in the select.def, you open that up. Make sure, if your character didn't appear, make sure that the file name is the same as the character's name and as the def over here file. So here, make sure the character's name is the same as the def. The def folder. The same as. Can't speak. Make sure the folder the character's in is in the freaking this over here. This is taking long. Sorry. Make sure this is in here, and the names are all the same. Because if it is not, and if there's no comma, and if there's no stages / whatever, the game would say the character's not there. It'll just be an empty spot. So you gotta double check and make sure it's all working nice and neat. However, I can delete this. I'll delete this one soon. Alright, yeah, that's about it. So next, I'll talk about how to put a stage, and then lastly, a screen pack. Let me just double check. You could quit the video now. I'm just gonna double check. It's in here. Yeah, 1,000. Alright, let's see my trash. See you guys next video.